What is going on, guys? Welcome to Stock Talk with Nico Criticos. Today, we're going to be checking out Ulta Beauty stock. This is a stock I've owned for quite a while now, and yesterday the stock went up nearly 9% after they beat on EPS. So, what we can see here is that they were expected to do $4.52, and they actually did $5.14. That's the good thing. The other good thing is that their sales increased to $2.5 billion for the quarter compared to 2.4 billion in the prior or the year over year quarter, right? So that's the good news. And then there was a slight increase in their projected sales for the fiscal 24. But other than that, the profit margins actually went down a little bit. And that's the problematic part here is that we really need margins to go back up and we need net income and EPS to go back up because as of right now, next year's EPS is expected to be pretty much the same, actually slightly down compared to this year. So that's the big issue here. Then they also announced a nearly a $3 billion share buyback program that they still have left to do. So for a company that is only $20 billion, $3 billion is actually a lot of stock to buy back. So that's where I could easily see this stock running up even more. And I mean, the analyst price targets that came out were all over the place. There was some, I believe, that were like around the $350 range all the way up to like $500. So it's been all over the place. But generally, this kind of puts some better sentiment into the market for this stock. And if they're buying back $3 billion worth of stock, then we should see, at least 10 to 15% increase in the share price. So that's the good thing. What we did see as well is Warren Buffett actually reduced his position, but we have these two other funds that added quite a bit. And so you can kind of look at that two different ways, but it's good to know what the big money is doing out there. The other thing I liked is that they opened 28 new stores and they remodeled about 27 stores. Investment. And then other than that, we have, I mean, sales are still expected to go up next year, so that's good, but EPS is the big issue. The P ratio is not, it's pretty cheap to be honest. I mean, 2 days ago we were trading at 16 times earnings, and normally the stock is closer to the 20 range. So I don't really see an issue there. If we take, let's see, let's do 20 times next year's earnings, the stock should be roughly $460. So that's kind of where I'm seeing it. Yesterday I did sell a couple of my shares, but I still have a couple shares left. And so as it approaches 460 or so, I'll probably start selling more, slowly start selling those other shares, and that'll be it for Ulta Beauty. I mean, I would like to see their EPS growing more, like especially for 2026. I would like to see this be at least $25 EPS. And I mean, that's good that they're opening new stores, but they need to get the costs under control and put those profit margins back up. So that is all for Ulta Beauty. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.